Well, hello, it's Junior, Red Rock Classics. I've got a 1952 Ford Flatbed 1-ton. Someone's installed a 460 big block in this thing with an automatic transmission. It runs really good. This truck is completely unrestored. Someone needs to go through the brakes. We're having difficulty with the brakes. But somebody's come along and put a lot of work into this truck. Power brakes on this thing. We're just having trouble getting them to work. Power steering. Truck actually doesn't have any active cancer that I can find on it. Solid floor, solid cab. The doors are all solid. There are newer tires put on it. I'm not sure when, but they're in great condition. So there you have it. 1952 Ford with a big 460 automatic. Thanks for taking your time to take a look.